Hello. Hi everyone, my name is Chatal. Welcome back to my channel. And guys, welcome back to yet another video. For this video, I've bought like a really interesting content which is like busting period myths जिसको इंडिया में बहुत सच माना जाता है और जो बहुत टाइम से नाना दादी बोलते आ दादी मम्मी नानी बोलती आई हैं. So I have busted all of them, like from not entering the temple during your periods to not taking a shower. So yes, I'm really excited for this video. Yes, so I'm really excited for this video and I really want to do a part 2 really soon. So yes, stay tuned for part 2, and for this video, without any further ado, let us get started. Okay, so the first myth is quite controversial and quite common myth, I can say, which is like we should not enter temples during our period. Okay, so logically I can say क्योंकि we live in the 21st century, we have been blessed with pads, panties, tampons, and every single thing which we need during our periods. And this rule was made when the women used to use leaves, the पेड़ का पत्ता, to just help the blood to absorb. So yes, that's one of the reasons. They hardly had panties, so साड़ी के petticoat के ऊपर they used to use the पत्ते. So that's why this rule was made कि you just sit at home, pray at your home. So yes, there when was this rule was made कि sit at your home, pray at your home, your heart is your temple, pray there. And now I have visited like Gurudwara, temples during my periods. I have हमारे घर में श्राद्ध जो होते हैं, श्राद्ध के टाइम I have given the श्राद्ध का खाना to the pandit. He have accepted it. I have told him that I am on my periods. He's like, okay, no problem. So pandits are also very sweet because they also know that the period blood is not at all impure and it's just not the thing to get ashamed of. And that's when this rule was made that we should not enter the temples or any religious place, but now we can and we do. So yes, that's this question. Because of this leaves, they used to use that leaves instead of pads. Like kapda to dur ki baat hai, leaves. So yes, I hope this myth is a huge flop. Okay, so the second myth is food items get spoiled, especially the acidic items, when we are on our periods and we touch them. Okay, so ये मेरे को ये पता है, आपकी मम्मी दादी ने कहा होगा कि ऐसा होता है. I make my own food, ठीक है. अचार छूती हूँ मैं, परांठों के साथ मैं अचार खाती हूँ, टिपिकल पंजाबी. दही खाती हूँ, चलो दही को एसिड नहीं होता कोई. नींबू का मैं नींबू पानी बना के पीती हूँ. मेरे हाथ लगाने से नहीं खराब होते. And it's every time when I make them, it doesn't get spoiled, man. So yes, the achar and the nimbu doesn't know that I am on my periods. उनको नहीं पता मेरे periods हो रहे हैं. मैं छूंगी, मैं खाऊंगी. Eat your parathas with your achar यार. कुछ नहीं होता. We are not releasing any acid कि उसको छूने से वो खराब हो जाएगा. Doesn't make any sense, you guys. अपना खुद का दिमाग लगाओ. जो मेरे body के अंदर हो रहा है, वो किसी इंसान को नहीं बताएंगे तो पता नहीं चलेगा. तो वो तो एक नॉन लिविंग थिंग है. That's just a achar. Just tell this logic to your नानी दादी मम्मी and tell them that it's all a bullshit. अगर आपको लगता है खराब हो जाएगा, so please आप मत छुओ, but let me eat. And I do eat. कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ खराब नहीं होता. नींबू अचार कुछ खराब नहीं होता, so eat, no problem. So yes, it's also a complete flop, false myth. Okay, so the next myth is period blood is toxic and infective. No, it's in your body. बिल्कुल नहीं है, बिल्कुल टॉक्सिक है, इन्फेक्टिव नहीं है. बट येस, इफ यू आर नॉट changing in every 3 hours, in every 2 hours maximum, then of course the germs and the bacteria will attack it. They will just start वो फैलना चालू कर देंगे. They will start yes, then it will become effective, then only it will become infective and toxic. Otherwise it's just not at all toxic or infective. No, it's just a thing that you have to change, whether it's your pads, it's your tampons or anything. So 2 घंटे में या तो 3 घंटे में you have to change. That's it. Okay, so the next myth is do not walk under a tree during your periods. It attracts ghosts. Under a tree, सुबह नहीं, रात को भी आप walk under a tree during my periods. I haven't encountered a single ghost, you guys. और ये बात अलग है कि हाँ मैं इन चीज़ों में विश्वास बिल्कुल नहीं करती हूँ. आई एम अ साइंस स्टूडेंट. हाँ ये बात अलग है कि मैं इन चीज़ों में विश्वास बिल्कुल नहीं करती हूँ. आई डोंट बिलीव इन ऑल दिस घोस्ट खबीज जिन थिंग्स जिनमें फिर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा बगी बिल्कुल नहीं है. So yes, I haven't encountered anything. अगर आप लोग को दिखे, click a photo, click a selfie with it and send it to me. I would love to share it on my stories. From anywhere it doesn't make any sense. You will encounter a ghost. If you will encounter ghost, if you're walking under a tree, तो मैं नदी के पास जाके बैठ जाऊँ भाई अंधेरे में. मैं नदी के पास अंधेरे में जाके बैठ जाऊँ. मैं पेड़ के नीचे अंधेरे में जाके बैठ जाऊँ. I have not encountered a single ghost during my periods or any time in my entire life. So if you do, please tag me on my Instagram. मैं पक्का अपनी स्टोरी पे लगाऊंगी that my fathers have encountered ghost. Oh wow, what the hell. So as guys, as for this video, I hope you guys enjoyed throughout this video. And अगर आप सच में इसमें लॉजिक लगा के सोचोगे तो you guys will also realize that all of them are mostly false. And most of them doesn't make any sense. Like पेड़ के नीचे चलने से भूत देख लोगे. What? So yes, I enjoyed throughout this video. I enjoyed busting all of the myths. So I'm really excited for the part 2. Just stay tuned for that. So meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself. Stay hydrated. Drink water. And just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.